So guys, finally I found a platform where you can use Claude Fable 5 completely free of cost, and you guys won't believe, but let me just show you the proof here. So I just go to this website, and here I will just write the prompt to create a Alien Spaceship Game, and here I'm using Claude Fable 5. Click enter, and it start creating, and finally it's done. Now let me just show you by opening this index.html file, and here just click on launch. I'm literally start playing this game, and it created this design in just a single prompt, and I love that. So if you want to create the same, you have to watch the video till the end, and make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and let's start this video without any delay. To use Claude Fable 5, you have to simply go to Google and search for Tasklet. I will provide the link in the description, and here you got the space. Now what you have to do is simply go to sign up here. Okay, so just click on it. After that, here you have the options, so go with sign in Google or sign in with email. I will go with sign in Google. When you sign in, your dashboard will be look like this. Okay, so now let me just explain each and everything. If you take a look at right top side, there is a credit balance, and when you click on it, you got a organization credit that is 300 showing. What it means is you have 300 tokens or credits you can use, and it will update daily. Okay, so there is no need to worry. And second thing, when you go here, okay, this part here, you can see we have a free plan. As I'm using this, so there is no issue that I'm using a paid plan, and I'm just showing this part to you. Now here, when you click on advanced, then click on specific model. So here you got all the Claude models, okay, whatever you want to use. Like here you can see Claude HiQ, Claude Sonnet, then Opus 4.8 fast, and we have Claude Fuel 5 as well. And other thing, here you can see we can also just filter the advanced options, like thinking part. So I just select to medium, and here you can just select to high or low as well. Okay, so to just use the low tokens, you can use low. Okay, here not only the Claude, but you can use OpenAI as well. Okay, and not only OpenAI, but here you got the Google as well. So you can use as much as you can. Okay, and here you got some limit, token limit. Okay, that's all, and it will just refresh every single day, so there is no need to issue. Now here, how to create this part. So what I did is simply go to here, writing part, and just write this prompt, and here you can see I'm using Claude Fuel 5 here. Okay, so just click here, and it start creating. So as you can see, it start working, and it takes a little bit time to just create and complete the whole stuff. Okay, now it start building and thinking all these stuff. As I have selected medium thinking, okay, so it literally start thinking about how to create and what things necessary and everything. Okay, in the meantime guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and make sure to subscribe our channel, because we post this type of videos daily. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Now if you take a look at the how much token I have used, so it shows 292, means around 8 tokens I have used till now. And let's see how much token total it use till the whole code part. So as you can see, now it updates to 80 tokens, means it's about 220 tokens it just used to create this whole stuff, and still it using, I think. Okay, so finally it create the whole thing, and it only left 50 tokens, means it takes around 250 tokens to create this whole stuff. And let's see by clicking on index.html file, and here you can see the game starts. Now click on just cut this part, and now let's click on launch to check this out, is that game really working or not. So as you can see, the game starts and everything looks perfect. Now let's play some game, and let's test this game how many features it provided in this game. So as you can see here, I have completed wave 1, and now wave 2 has started. So let's clear this one as well. Now here comes wave 3, and let's clear this as well. So now my ship got destroyed, and here you can see I got some points here. Like here you can see not only scores I get, but also the best score I get till now, and also how much wave I have completed. And below here you can see there are some points, or you can see the instructions, like how you can play this game. So that's good to see, and how this works well without any getting any issues or anything. And I have created this just using a single prompt. So I hope you can create the same as well and try it out guys, because it's free, so you can go and check this out. You have to just use a Google sign in and that's all. So make sure to go and check this out, and let me know in the comment section how you like this video. So make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and subscribe our channel. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.